Hello kids, today we are going to learn Three Monkeys of Gandhiji, which gives us a message that speak no evil, see no evil and hear no evil. So let's start with our craft work. So for that we need two color sheet. One is light brown and another one is pale yellow or cream color. So you can take dark brown color sheet also. So we have to cut these shapes out of these two sheets. One is circle. I have made this shape here just to show the hair. Okay, you can cut simple circle also. You need this shape, three pieces of heart shape this size, three pieces of this oval shape, 6 pieces of brown oval. This I have cut a shape of hand. If you want me to show you, this is simply this is the shape. Okay, 6 pieces we need of this shape and thin strips of paper out of brown paper. We need all these 6 pieces and 3 ice cream sticks, glue drops, marker, a pair of scissors and glue. If you don't have glue drops, you can glue in place of that or double tape. Okay, so let's start. I'll take this shape. I'll put some Fevicol here. And we'll paste here. I'll put some Fevicol on this oval shape and paste it here. These brown ovals, we'll use them as ears. Place them here. Now we'll use our marker, draw an oval shape and fill it. Just leave a little space like. See, our monkey face is ready. Now we'll take a stick. We'll fix it here. For fixing this stick, we need glue drop. It's very easy to use. Take one piece, open it. Here is one glue drop. Okay, just place this stick on it and press. This glue drop will shift on the stick and keep this here and press and it will get fixed. Easy na? Okay, now we'll fix these hands over here. So all hands are ready. Now we will fix these hands here at this point. So again I'll use Remember, this side will be inside, not outside, okay? This is no, here no evil. I will fix here also. Okay, two monkeys more are ready. Now we will make this. I'll place glue drops on its hands like this, and we'll place it here like this. Okay, now the third one, I have already written here, speak no evil. So same way we will write on others also. Let me finish this, then I'll tell you how to write. Again, I'll put here. And on this hand, like this. So 3 monkeys are ready. Now we will write here. You can take help of your mom for writing this, or you can write on your own. In Hindi we say, बुरा ना देखो, बुरा ना सुनो, बुरा ना बोलो. See no evil, hear no evil. Our 3 monkeys are ready. What are they saying? Hear no evil, see no evil, and speak no evil. I hope all of you like the video. Do like, share, and subscribe my video. Bye.